Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation. In this video I'm showcasing part 2 of the Zephyr Models 1 to 400 scale GSE here, seen on my Alaska Airlines 737 fleet here. As you guys can see, you got optional baggage carts, or baggage, that can go on the luggage loaders, baggage loaders, whichever you like to call them, as well as some GSE carts, which are pictured a little bit better here, as well as cones, food and catering trucks, ambulances, police cars, pushback tug seen here. Sorry for the shakiness here, guys. I've been setting a lot up on here lately, so it's been quite a long night here. But yeah, super adds a lot of realism to your model airports, I would say, as well as this bus here too. They're just starting out with more products, so I mean, looking at this, it can only get better from here, obviously. Only one thing I would say to improve would be the pushback tugs here. And then I think, like, honestly, it looks like it's pretty good to me, so super cool. Again, thank you for Zephyr Models for sending me these products here. You do also have a operations vehicles and also people. So super cool. I did fit a little tiny tugs vehicle in there too. Here are the fire trucks from Zephyr Models as well. So super cool. They also have barricades that go around the wing. So whatever you have to do with it, I decided to park the A350-1000 here. So I'm making the gate a little bit larger here so we can fit more in our Las Vegas layout. But yeah, guys, super cool. Go check them out. Link in bio. Lots of awesome products here. So only gets better. I do love these red cones too. I think it's nice to just change things up too. Red cones and the orange cones too. So there's two different types of cones they have here, as seen here. So super cool, guys. Also new Las Vegas update here coming soon. I just finished setting this entire thing up, guys. So stay tuned. Until next time, guys, happy collecting. Model Airport Nation to you guys.